Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I was filming for you replacement of the fuel pump on 2007 Toyota Sienna, and unfortunately something happened and I lost that entire footage. I had these few pictures for the thumbnails, so let's just do this very simple slideshow, and hopefully that will still give you some ideas what is on top of the gas tank, how you are removing the fuel pump, right? This is the ring which needs to be open counterclockwise, and then you can get to the fuel pump. So once again I apologize for that lost footage. Here you can see actually that the ring, the opening, and the O-ring which is being replaced always, and this is that entire fuel pump assembly. Just a little note, don't look for fuel filter underneath the vehicle, it's part of this fuel pump. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.